Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I bring to you straight from the far lands of DeFi a new strategy which will give you about 155% APR on your yield farming position. So let's start with today's video. Now to play this strategy right, you need to watch my video on Metis ecosystem deep dive and you will get to know how to get started with this particular blockchain. Yes, so I will put the link down below. Once you see this video, you will know what I'm talking about and how to get started with this entire ecosystem. Now this strategy will involve me shorting Bitcoin and selling for stablecoin and depositing that stablecoin in Agora markets and borrow cheap Metis and pair that with Metis farm for a cool 157% or 56% APR. So to get started with this, first of all, we need to come over to Aave markets and this will be on Polygon. So you need to connect to the Polygon blockchain and you need to supply some asset to borrow the wrapped Bitcoin from Aave markets on Polygon. And once you do this, you have to come over to relaychain.com. I will put the link again down below, and you have to switch over the network in your MetaMask to Polygon and you have to send your asset to Metis network. So from here you have to choose however many Bitcoin you want to send. Let's say you want to send 1 Bitcoin, so you have to choose 1 and you have to press on transfer. So once you do this, transaction will be initiated and your asset will be transferred to Metis network. Once you get your wrapped Bitcoin to Metis network, so you can come down over to Metis Finance, go over to the swap pools, and basically you have to sell this Bitcoin to stablecoin, which is USDC or USDT. So let's say you come up with 1 Bitcoin and you are selling for 1 USDC on Metis. So right now this is giving me around $33,400 for this sell-off. So if I were to check out the rates for USDT, so I will just go ahead and see this is giving me a little bit less of a price. Again, I would come down over to netswap.io and I will check the prices over here, and whichever place you find the most value for, just sell your Bitcoin for stables on that platform. So after you do this, you will have a lot of stable coins in your account. So you need to come over to Agora, and once you do this, you have to go ahead and you have to go to the supply market and you have to deposit your stable coin over here. So let's assume you have bought USDC and you are going ahead and depositing this USDC over here. Now you have to click on borrow market, and over here you have to take a loan of Metis. Always keep in mind, never take too much of a loan. If you are depositing, let's say 50,000 of stable coins in Agora, then probably take about $20,000 of Metis as a loan from Agora. So once you do this, again you have to come back over to this swap and you have to basically swap half of your Metis to Metis token. So you'll have to just go over here and click. So let's say you want to sell maybe like 200 Metis tokens for Metis, which would be half of what you have taken a loan of, and with the rest of the half you have to provide liquidity. Coming over here, you'll have to provide the liquidity for Metis and Metis, and you will be getting some LP tokens with that. Now you will have to come over to this farm option and you have to deposit your LP tokens in this particular pool, so which will land you about 158% APR, and you will start earning in Metis, and you can then sell off these Metis tokens to clear off your loan from here. So this is about the strategy, but if you want to get some more percentage on this yield farming position, then you can visit over to this lend function over here, and once you click over here you will see that there is this pool of this Metis. This is leveraged LP. So what will this basically do is you can go up to like 5x of your position. This position over here is just normal 1x, that will give you about 158%, and this is leveraged, and you will get around 5x if you leverage it for around 5x. So you will get around 131,000% APY for per year, so which is again quite high. But let me tell you something over here. Once you are leveraging up your LP position, so you would run a lot of risk for impermanent loss. So if you are okay with that impermanent loss, and impermanent loss does not mean much to you, and you want to basically go ahead and start farming with this, I would say go ahead and leverage up your LP position. But if you want to play it safe, you can most probably leverage it up to a 2x over here. You'll get a good APY, and you can start yield farming with this position, and whatever profit that you are getting, make sure to clear off your loans over here, so that at least you will be able to be safe in the long term. And once you are clearing off your loans over here, again you have to keep in mind that you have to come back over down to Polygon, and you have to clear off your Bitcoin loan as well. So to come back over again, you have to just go ahead and just transfer your assets back to Polygon, come over to Aave markets and clear off your loan like I have shown it to you. So guys, this brings an end to today's video. If you have any further questions about this strategy, come over to my channel, Crypto 8-Bits Call channel. I am here on this channel. I have recently started it, and you can join this channel. I share my plays over here, and you can chat with me over in this channel. If you want, you can also come down to my profile and DM me on Twitter. I will put the link down below, and looking forward to lots of many questions if you guys have it. So till then, this is it for today guys. Do remember to hit that like button and press the bell notification for many more such videos. Till then, stay safe.